are the chances na hindi ka magkakamali if you make a decision? Pagka nagse-setting and leveling of expectation ako sa training, may mga participants na sasabihin sa akin, gusto ko pag-attend ko ng training na ito, hindi na ako magkakamali sa mga desisyon ko. Sabi ko, pagka merong ganun training, a-attend ako. Because even if I go through root cause analysis, no, go through all the creative process of trying to solve the problem, try to evaluate all the solutions, do some risk assessments, uh, thoroughly planned it, meron pa rin bang possibility na mali ako, na hindi magwo-work yung aking solution? It's minimized compared to like I'm just going to do it intuitively. It's minimized pero hindi zero yung iyong chance na magkamali. So, importante na mag-create tayo ng safe environment in the workplace where when we make the mistake, our default reaction is not to blame, but rather to learn from it. You know, what can we learn from this experience? No?